Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Yamaha RMAX4 Seater 1000. We got some fun stuff on this one, but I wanted to give you guys that first look at that front door. As you guys know, this front door for the full cab kit has been extremely hard to get. It is the same door for the 2-seater as well as the 4-seater, and this one is not complete. We are still waiting for the rear doors. But check out this front door and window setup. It is lockable, as you can see there on the inside. You've got that spot for the sound system for you guys that have the XTR and the limited models or have added it down the road. Nice pouch there in the side of the door. You got a nice grab handle up there. And this window also opens as well as flips back onto the big portion of the window, giving you a ton of airflow inside. You can open up that front portion like a wing window on a pickup truck. This does have the full glass windshield from Yamaha with the windshield wiper and washer fluid kit to complete the cab. It also has the rear flip up back window from Yamaha as well. We'll give you an update, give you that first look once we get the back windows in as well with the doors. But great looking machine from Yamaha. We've also got those 30-inch dirt commanders on there and a ton of stuff from Yamaha. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody. We know Rick will.